I
Just
have to
stay
find my
calm.
boy. I can't leave him here.
This will help. Oh, no, they're back. Stay quiet.
It looks like somebody ain't doing so well.
I think they left. Come on. Come on. I gotta find something I can use. This might lead to the others. Why won't they leave me alone? Okay. Okay. You got this. They're too close.